Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the latest update on what to expect on what's going to be a rather stormy weekend. As we begin with a look at pinpoint Doppler early this afternoon, you can see a few showers which have developed over the northern edge of the area. These storms, actually showers, are weakening now as they move out of the region. They could strengthen as they move further to the north. One area that we're going to have to watch here is going to be this area over the northwestern corner of the ArkLaTex. This is where it's possible that we could see new showers and thunderstorms develop that maybe bring some threat of severe weather late this afternoon and this evening. But it looks like we're probably going to have to wait until later on tonight and tomorrow. Storm Prediction Center shows a slight severe weather risk for tomorrow for most of the ArkLaTex, as the main issues will be wind and hail. The tornado risk tomorrow is looking very low, but it's not zero, as I'll show you here in a second. Take a look at the very latest model information. This is the afternoon run of the HRRR model, which will take us into Sunday. And you can see the scattered activity over the northwestern edge of the area, which moves out. Line of thunderstorms will move in very late tonight. You can see by 6 a.m. tomorrow, it extends from about Dirks to DeQueen to Clarksville. It moves into Texarkana by mid-morning tomorrow and should begin to weaken a bit more quickly as it moves into East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, arriving in Shreveport by noon. That weakening process continues into the afternoon. Notice new showers and thunderstorms to the west of us heading into the latter stages of Saturday afternoon. That area of rain will also weaken as it moves eastward across the region Saturday evening and Saturday night. The rain will end temporarily for most of the area late Saturday night, and we could see another batch of showers and thunderstorms skirt across the southern half of the area during the day on Sunday, but we're not looking at anything as far as severe weather concerns on Sunday. I mentioned the possible impacts. Here's wind, and anywhere you see that orange and red, that's 30 to 50 is what the HRRR is showing. And notice those are much more prominent late tonight and tomorrow morning over the northern sections of the area. Notice the southern part of the region Saturday afternoon into the evening hours, you hardly don't see much as far as those stronger gusts. So again, it looks like the threat as far as winds, if the HRRR is correct, could be highest over the northern sections of the area. It's not to say we will not have any issues, but again, that chance looking highest up north. As far as the tornado risk, you can see this green area. That's the tornado outlook from SPC on a 1 to 7 scale. It is at 1. That's very low. That means, again, the tornado risk is very low, but it's not zero. And notice these yellow areas here with the HRRR. That is where the model shows we could see some rotation with some of the storms. Notice that we don't see much further to the south and east and northwest Louisiana as we move into the afternoon hours on Saturday. So again, if we have any spinners tomorrow, best chance will be late tonight, tomorrow morning over the north, and again, a very low chance across the south during the afternoon. Rainfall, feast or famine, as this is the output from Futurecast, very similar to the HRRR, shows some areas getting less than a half an inch, but we will see areas, especially over the northern sections of the ArkLaTex, that see 2 to over 3 inches. So some heavy rain is going to happen and fall over some parts of the ArkLaTex. Right now, the chances for the heavier rains will be highest up north. So tonight, thunderstorms move into the northern sections of the area late. Severe weather will be possible as lows will be in the mid-60s, 67 tonight in Texarkana. Across East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, lows will be in the mid to upper 60s as rain chances in this part of the ArkLaTex looking lower during the night tonight, as we'll probably have to wait till tomorrow to see the more widespread rains. 69 for the low temperature tonight in Shreveport. Tomorrow, again, storms will be likely area-wide, mainly in the morning across the north, in the afternoon across the south. Again, severe weather possible with wind and hail the biggest concerns, as we'll see highs across the north in the low to middle 70s. 76 in Texarkana, 80 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow. A bit warmer across East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, where those storms arrive a bit later in the day. 10-day forecast shows the chance for the rain, maybe some thunder Sunday, a few scattered thunderstorms possible Monday, and then our next best chance of rain holds off until late Tuesday night and Wednesday, when we will see another chance for severe weather. I'll have more on that a little bit later, and you can see another chance for mainly some showers as we look ahead to the end of next weekend, as we'll temporarily cool off into the 60s Thursday, but quickly recover to the mid to upper 70s for the last half of next week.